welcome back to my channel. This is Winifred Ben, and today I'm going to be showing you how I do my nails on a budget. So if you're like me, you hardly get satisfied when you do your nails in the salon, or you just feel like nails are becoming too expensive. Like here in Abuja, you can, with 3,000 you probably will get a poorly done nails, and you know, for you to get a really good nails, you have to have from like 7,000 to 10,000, in some places 15,000, you know, to get your nails done. But you know, if you want a budget friendly nail, I've got you. That is what this video is all about, guys. So you can see I already picked out some nails that I bought, but you know, for this video I'm going to be using the gold one, guys. You can see the gold one right there. Then you'll be needing your glue, your buffer to smoothen out your nails, your nail file. You'll also be needing your nude tones and also in a nail hardener. You'll also be needing some cotton wool and your nail polish remover, guys. So let's start with these nails. Okay, I'm going to start by just quickly showing you guys the nails that I got. So I got this one that is really shiny and kind of purple or pink in color, I'm not really sure, but I just really love the glossy feel. Then this is the one I actually used. I love the shimmery look it has. I just really love it. I also got another brown tone for the other one, and then I got this one that is supposed to be, you know, just in place of acrylic or glass nails. This is the one I used to double it. So that is my third option of how I firm up my nails so they make it last more than 2 weeks, at least 2 to 3 weeks, guys. So let's get into it. So now that I've made the choice of nails, next step is to buff my nails. So after cleaning, apply some nail polish remover on your cotton wool, and then you begin to clean your nails. You know, you just want to keep your nails clean, you know, and nail polish has alcohol. It just kind of cleans your nails before you start applying your nails. So now I'm done with cleaning my nails. Next step is to kind of arrange the nails according to, or the fake nails according to the appropriate nails. Okay, so what you see me do is trying to measure out which ones will suit which nails and stuff like that, guys. So watch me get that sorted out. Yeah, nails have been selected, so we are ready to get this show on the road. Next step is to buff out the edges of these nails, the parts that will be a fit to my nails. So I love to do this before I put them on my nails because it's easier and I don't get to wound myself. Yeah. So I love to keep my workspace clean, so I'm just going to clean out all those debris before I start doing the nails, guys. So I'm just going to do one hand on camera, and then I'm going to do the rest off camera, guys. Trust me, you do not want this video to be long. Okay, guys, so during the recording I observed that my camera wasn't positioned very well, so I couldn't really get full clip on how I'm actually applying the nails. But basically what you see me do is to apply some glue on my nails, then apply a little more on the fake nails, and then I put it on my nail and press it on for a while so that it can glue properly to the nails. Next, we are moving on to the colored nails. So guys, I must confess, at this point I was really struggling. The truth is, once you fix the first layer of nails, putting the second layer is quite hard, and especially using the left nail to do the right. So I always go do the right first using my left nail, because you know it's more comfortable fixing with my right hand when it's done, guys. So you can see I'm struggling, so I had to use that buffer to pad my hand. So just basically apply the glue all over the nails and then put the second layer on top. Guys, as you can see, at this point I am done with both nails. It actually looks good like this, guys. What do you think? So basically it's time to clip. So let's get clipping. So we're going to cut off those extra white layers. It actually looks cute like this, guys. What do you think? You could just, but if you buff this particular design of nail now, you get all the shimmery designs off. So no. So you just have to clip off those edges. Yeah. That's basically what we're doing right now, clipping them off and getting them ready for the final stage. Yay! Time to buff. This is my favorite part when I'm doing my nails, because to me it is the easiest part, guys. Like, the hard part is done, guys. Time to buff, time to file off everything you don't need. Get those nails into shape, looking good and all ready to, rock. Okay, so I noticed that I had, like, I'll call it a gallop at close to my cuticles. So I will advise, if you want to use these nails, to fix it from the end of your nails. By that I mean the cuticles, okay, so that you won't have those gallops, which eventually I have to fill in with glue. Anyway, guys, so if you can see, that is why I'm buffing it, but I'm buffing it very slightly, just towards the edges, towards the part that is close to my cuticles, so that I don't file off the shimmery layers of the glue, guys. So aside that, I'm just filing off all the extra stuff that I don't need. So next, I'm going to be filling in the nails with glue. Don't fill up any holes in the nails. Fill up the top part of the nails, the edges around my cuticles. Fill them up with glue for the final buffing of the nail before I apply my nail hardener. Okay, so what I have here are two bottles. One is a nude Cutex, whatever, and the other is a regular nail hardener bottle. So what I'm going to do is to transfer some of the Cutex from the nude bottle into the nail hardener, and just a little amount to color the nail hardener a little bit. That's how we get our nude tones that we're going to be using for the areas around our cuticles, guys. So watch and learn. Hello people, so this is the final look, guys. What do you think? Maybe what I would have done differently is to fix the nails from the cuticles. I think so, but still it's not bad like this. And I wore this nail for at least 3 weeks, guys. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, and please subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section what you think. And if you have other DIY suggestions you'd like me to film, let me know. Thank you once again. It's Winifred Ben. See you. Bye bye.